Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. What you see in front of me is the RedMagic 11 Air unboxing. This is only just got this about 20 minutes ago in the post, so it was an unboxing. Like normal, if you follow me, you know at the beginning intro you see the specs. Go back and pause it. This one, oh, it's been a long time. My last RedMagic was RedMagic 8 all those years ago, but I do regularly buy the Nubia, so I got this for £399. This one's a 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 storage model, right? That would be normally as £439. But because I buy a lot of Nubia is technically the same company. So I got a voucher a week ago saying that for my loyalty, I got £40 off. So I got it for £399. There you go. Also, it comes with, just like previously, it comes with like a UK adapter. I won't need it because since I got so many devices, I just need the same charger for them all. This is a global version, so it's good. £399, just to let you know. Also, gave me a stand. They've been using her. Can't remember her name, but we'll find her later on. The stand, part of a gift. I was actually hoping for more. Usually they give like earbuds or something like that, but hey. So you can see it got a bit knocked in the post, but you can see that air is kind of like that. Not bad. Okay, let's open it up. Have a guess what color I got. Oops. Open up. So have a guess what color. Let me just put that here so you won't see. Okay, here you are. You can see why they gave us the UK adapter. This one is, if I remember correctly, is an 80 volts. Double check. It doesn't say, but it's 80. So I never use this in the way, so I've got plenty of chargers. Now the trademark red cable, you can see is a C. Basically to C to C, which is pretty good as far as charging. C to C. Usually they give you A to C. Little RedMagic paper, keep that there. Inside here, I assume you will have paperwork, of course, and probably a case. Yep. So you got SIM ejection tool here, paperwork, and a case. You know, always like Chinese companies giving you a case, chargers and cables, unlike other companies I can mention, you know, like Apple, Samsung, Google, nothing, even OnePlus, well, the global version of OnePlus, not the Chinese version, global version OnePlus, Sony. Yeah, at least they give you charger and the case, which is always good. I'll probably get a couple more cases, like I always do, but it's always good to have a case right off the bat. See-through, it's got this kind of corrugated feel to it, nice. It's a bit bendy, but it's pretty solid. So that's all that in the box. So you guess what color it is? My first Magic was the Magic 8, and that was actually a black. I was actually thinking of buying 6 or 7, but it was 8 that really got my attention because of the new design, square and very distinctive. So it's the white one. Wow, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I'm glad since the 8 onwards, RedMagic has kept the very similar design language. Also, at a glance, it does remind me a bit of the Nothing phones, doesn't it? You know, the Nothing phones have that similar thing. So I would argue that Nothing kind of took inspiration from RedMagic, and now RedMagic took some inspiration back from Nothing. And also, this is actually my first Air phone. It's actually quite thin. I can't remember the life of me, but like I said, the specs are on the screen at the beginning. That is actually really thin. It's also got a 7,000 milliamp battery, if I remember correctly. So Nice and rounded square. Oh, I thought that was a scratch there. Can see, yep, it comes with, you can feel it, screen protector on. So you got one side here. This is probably the, what's it called, Game Central. You press that and the game setting comes on. SIM tray, USB-C, speakers. On this side you've got power, volume, the air vent. These are the buttons for gaming. You know what, it actually feels very, very light. Probably like, usually I like slightly a heavy phone, not too heavy, but slightly a little bit more heavier. And because I always find that light phones always feels a bit cheap, just me, but this actually feels very premium in the hand. It's got a nice, that is so good, it feels good. So you're wondering, if you actually watch my videos a few times in the past, you probably heard me say that I'm not a gamer on mobile devices. I just don't play games on mobile phones or tablets. Maybe the odd couple of puzzle games here when I'm really, really bored or on a long journey, but anything else is just usually consoles and PCs. That's where I play my games. And you're wondering why I get this, because my last, like I said, my last RedMagic phone is the Magic 8, and some years ago now, is £40 off, £399. This is using the latest Snapdragon. It's got 7,000 milliamp battery. It's got a good screen, under display, cameras, okay, I suppose for that. You think about it, it's £399. Even if you go to the, say, the Nothing phone, I mentioned Nothing, you get the Nothing free phone. It's on sale at the moment. I think it's about $799 or something like that. And that's using a cheaper or a less powerful chip, and that's gone for double this price. And then take a look at go to OnePlus official site. The OnePlus 15 is currently on sale, but that's gone for £899 again, more than double. And that's got the same chip. And in the past, you can say that the OnePlus had what's going for it was the camera, but since they dropped Hasselblad, OnePlus 15, the camera's not that good. So when you think about it, for a £399, you're getting a flagship spec phone. And not only that, a great build phone. It's got good quality, thin and light. Great design. I love it. Even if I'm not playing games with it, which I might put some games on, see how it runs. So if I do, I'll post it, of course. But just from that point of view, for £399, right? If you think about it, last year, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro was going for like £449 for 12 gigs, 256, and that had less performance than this. So when you think about the price range, okay, you can argue that this may have issues with updates, which you probably will, but as far as I know, in the UK, I think it's 3 years upgrades, software upgrade. I will check that, and if I'm wrong, I will post it in the little subtitles in the video itself to actually, but I think it's 3 to 6 years depending on region. I think UK is 3 years, but don't worry, if I'll find the actual date and I'll post it on the subtitles in this video. Pretty cool. Oh, there's a little dot there. I hate those things. Reason why I usually get darker phones, but I got a white one this time because, like I said, my last RedMagic was a black one. So I thought, you know what, balance it out. Let me get rid of it. Is it dusty? You can see it. It's annoying. I know it's a little speck, but right there, little speck. But we, as perfectionists that we are, and also it doesn't show you a little bit. You can see the fingerprints, but it vaporizes. No, not vaporize. I mean, kind of clears pretty quick afterwards. You see, that is awesome. It does feel really, really good. Wow, that is amazing. I'm actually pretty happy with this. £399. You can actually get it now. If you were early bird, you got a £30 discount. So that'll make it £409. But you go there now and full price, even at full price, £439. I think it's still valuable. value for money compared to the other phones out there. Do bear in mind, 7,000 milliamp battery, gaming phone, great design, great build quality, flagship. Can't go wrong. Camera, of course, I don't expect it to be anything amazing because this is a gaming phone, centric phone. But I'll give it a go. Come back in a few days while I give this a good test. I might even throw a game or two. Yeah. So before I go, anyway, I thought, you know what, let me just unbox this as well. Let me know what the character's name is. If not, I'll find out and I'll post it on the subtitles. It's like this. Oops. I bet it's something like that. Am I going crazy? I think I'm going crazy because it's not fitting, or just maybe pushing it a bit harder. You know what? Let me just pause this and I'll find out how to do it later. Well, I'm back. It is very tight. You got to really push it in. I'm thinking of just getting a knife and start scraping a bit more room to it, but you know what? That I do. So it's like that. So I assume, and then you put your phone like this, I think. Let me know if that's right, if anybody else got the same as me. There you go. Cool, that's it. Let me know what you think. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're in the world. Please do stay safe. Please like and subscribe, all that cool stuff. Thank you, and goodbye.